Hello and welcome to unboxing of this new Lenovo IdeaPad 3. It is a new laptop and let me show you specifications. So you can see it uses a new generation of Ryzen 5 processors. I will leave complete specifications and price that I paid for this laptop in a video description, and this is what I think best laptop for your buck because of that new Ryzen processor that is really powerful and strong. This is brought new, but it was in a display shelf for a day or two, so it is not first unboxing of this box and this laptop. Here we have a charger. Unfortunately it is not USB charger, but we can forgive that for this price. It's old school charger, and you can see this is European wall adapter and Lenovo. You can see this has been manufactured, so this makes it old 2 months. Yeah. And the laptop itself. Here we have some warranty information, setup guide. So this is IdeaPad 3 15 inches, and the laptop itself. It doesn't have Windows or Linux, so no operating system. This surface is, I was thinking to say cold to a touch, but not as cold as a metal, but it has that, it shines like a metal and it almost feels like a metal. It is cold to touch, but not as much as a metal, so it is a plastic. But if you're looking at it from a meter or two, you would think it is a metal, but no. On the bottom side you can see space for, here is your fan, and I can see here heat pipe, your 4 fits. On the left side you have power port, HDMI. This is USB 2.0 and 2 of USB 3.1 ports. You have a bottom firing speakers, 2 of them, and on this side you have SD reader and a headphone jack. When we open it, so by the way, you can't open it with one hand. You can see, it's almost impossible. So let's remove this, and you have a laptop. So this surface is similar to this outer surface, so it looks like a metal, but you can see that it isn't actually. It feels shallow, but that is expected from this type of laptop, I would say, for the price. And this is an interesting part, so you can hear camera shutter. Not sure, can you see it? But you can close. This is now open camera, and this is now closed camera. So that's a nice feature. You don't have to stick paper here. You can see slim bezels, at least on these sides. I would say this one is also slimmer, but not as slim. And the bottom is, I would say, like old school laptops. Keyboard, I would say it is similar to, I used older ThinkPads, so it is actually similar to, so let me try. It's fine, it's nothing special. You can see touchpad here. It has some, you can see it is not the most expensive laptop. It flexes here, I'd say, a lot on both sides, but here it doesn't as much. So that's all I wanted to say. This laptop, because of its processor, is very powerful, and yeah, for its price, let's turn it on. Oh, it's actually empty. I'll have to put it to charge, and that's all.